Hello guys, this is Pinay Flipper. I'm in the kitchen today and I am going to bake Russian tea cakes. It's actually my favorite one. Um, Russian tea cakes is very light. It doesn't have sugar except for, well, the confectioner's sugar, which is half cup only. And it's not sweet, but it's creamy, and because of the nut it is chewy. It's really good, and so I make it whenever I have time. I prefer it over chocolate chip cookies, which is my family's favorite. But anyway, if they don't like it, it means there's more for me. But so anyway, we are going to start making Russian tea cakes. I'm going to make a cookie plate that I would like to take to Sky Zone, where JJ goes 6 days a week. And we would also like to bring some cookies to those ladies at the post office. Every time I'm there, the line is long, and those poor guys in the post office, they look so frazzled. So I thought I would bring some to lighten their day. So to start, here are the ingredients. I have here a cup of butter, softened butter, half a cup of confectioner's sugar. This is 2/3 cup of finely chopped nuts. I use walnut. Here is 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, salt, vanilla, extra confectioner's sugar for rolling. So let's start doing it. First, I cream the butter, the confectioner's sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is real vanilla, guys. I do not like this imitation that you can find in the store. I got this from Mexico, and that's the real vanilla there. So you can really smell it. So once that's creamed, use 1/4 teaspoon of the salt. And then I add in the 2.5 cups of flour. I like to mix it in by hand first so it doesn't create a dust. And then you mix in the finely chopped nuts, the finely chopped walnut in this case. So let's mix it. Form this into a ball. I'm going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Okay, so that's mixed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll just like that, and then I will roll it. I'm rolling it in the confectioner's sugar, powdered sugar. Then you put it in an ungreased cookie sheet. Okay, so here they are. We are going to put them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. There you go. We'll set our timer to 12 minutes. I'll start with 11. Okay, so it's done. So I'm gonna let it cool off in a little bit, and then I'm gonna roll it again in the remaining powdered sugar, and then transfer it to a wire rack to completely cool off. Okay, so they're ready. So I'm just going to shake them around in this little bowl with the sugar. It's still kind of warm. So out of that batch, I was able to make 26. 2 dozen with an extra 2, which means I can have the extra 2. How about that? I think I did it on purpose. There you go. So there's 26 in that one batch of Russian tea cakes. I think I am going to try one. This one looks like it's got my name in it. It's yummy. So guys, I think I see our dog out of our yard. I'm gonna hurry up and eat this and then get him. Naughty dog. So there it is, guys. It's really good. Thank you for watching. This is Pinay Flipper in the kitchen, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.